The green,
Oh,
green iguana.
it's perfect to cuddle in when you're sleeping in bed.
Yeah, maybe.
And there's a cozy in there.
Yeah.
And
No,
you
it
can
doesn't.
cuddle them too.
Hmm.
And cuddle the egg pot.
That's not a bird egg. That's a lizard egg. Lizards go in some eggs too.
Why? Why does the lizard egg?
That's just an egg for a lizard.
Why?
Just how it is. Sometimes they lay eggs as well.
What's this one?
Frog.
What's this one? What's this one?
That is a guraco.
Cool. What's this one? What's this one called?
That's a green iguana.
Green iguana. What's that one?
Leopard frog.
Leopard frog. What's this one?
Black vulture.
Black vulture. What's this one? How
Southern cassowary.
Southern cassowary.
Mm.
Let's do this one.
An egg might even be fossilized. The remains of creatures that died millions of years ago may become rock hard or fossilized. Scientists have unearthed fossilized dinosaurs all around the world.
Yeah,
Some are round and some are oblong. Some are as small as 1 inch across and some are as large as 20 inches. Scientists believe all dinosaurs hatched from eggs.
Yeah, dinosaurs lay eggs too.
Yeah. An egg is given.
Little.
Mm-hmm.
What are you making?
I'm sleeping, show my eyes.
Oh no, Daddy's sleeping.